来看国际消息，美国总统川普决定去韩国参加 APEC。10月30日，甲中国国家主席习近平来见面，也川普讲有可能会讲到咱台湾，也咱驻美代表处表示会甲美国保持沟通。
美国白宫正式宣布，美国总统川普30早起将会甲中国国家主席习近平伫南韩举行川习会。这是川普第2任期第一遍甲习近平面对面会谈。拄好美中关系战，川普讲，反弹年将会是上优先讨论的问题。
We have some big issues, like with the farmers and various other things. But the first question I'm going to be asking him about is fentanyl, and we'll see what happens at the end of next week because I'll be meeting next week, as you know, along with. We're stopping in Malaysia, we're stopping in South Korea, we're stopping in Japan. I'm meeting with President Xi actually in South Korea.
川普进前讲，会中应该讲到台湾的代志。外界认为，川普可能为着要甲中国达成贸易协定，甲台湾摕来做谈判的条件。咱驻美国代表处讲，会甲美国相关部门保持密切的沟通。咱代表有代理北讲，看袂出台湾会互人摕来做交易。
Communications, relations between Taiwan and the United States, it's very fluid, it's very close, it's very open. United States and the partners in the Indo-Pacific, we are doing what we can to prop up our self-defense capabilities. It's too much trouble for Xi Jinping to try to attack Taiwan by force.
有代理讲，咱国继续甲印太地区伙伴合作，强化自我防卫的能力，协助习近平侵台。 因那日本的新任首相高市早苗的内阁官房长官穆元仁，讲会维持以前的立场，继续加強台日交流。
台湾は我が国にとって基本的価値を共有し、緊密な経済関係と人的往来を有する極めて重要なパートナーであり、大切な友人であります。
外交部長林佳龍對此表示高度的肯定甲歡迎，強調會繼續推動台日關係的發展。記者綜合報道。